force of friction. Today we will start with cause of friction. When surfaces of all objects have irregularities, even a smooth surface has minute irregularities. When one object moves over another object, these irregularities get interlocked and opposes the motion of the object. This is known as force of friction. To move one object over another, force need to be applied to overcome this interlocking. The force applied needs to be greater than the force of friction for the object to move. See this example. Book and table have irregularities on this surface. You can see in this diagram, which get interlocked with each other when a book is placed on a table. This gives rise to force of friction between the two surfaces. Book will move over the table only when force applied to push is greater than the force of friction between them. Now you can see rough surface like sandpaper, mud, road, more irregularities, more friction. Smooth surface like glass, ice, oily surface, less irregularities, less friction. Now we will discuss about the three types of friction: static, sliding, and rolling. Static friction is the friction between the two surfaces when an object starts moving from the resting stage. It is a force required to start moving the object. It is the maximum force of friction present between two surfaces. Interlocking is strong, hence the force required to overcome static friction is more. In case of sliding friction, it is a friction between two surfaces when the object is already in motion, or you can see this arrow will show the object is in motion, or when an object is sliding over another object. It is a force required to retain the sliding motion at the same speed. Sliding friction is less than static friction, and interlocking is not very strong due to the sliding momentum. Hence the force required to overcome sliding friction is less. Rolling friction. It is a friction between two surfaces when one object is rolled over the another object or surface. It is a force required to retain the rolling motion at the same speed. Rolling friction is much less than sliding friction. Interlocking is weak, hence the force required to overcome rolling friction is much less. After knowing the differences, we come to know static friction is more stronger than sliding friction is more stronger than rolling friction. You can see this example. It will take lot of force to push a heavy block of concrete from one place to another by sliding it over the ground. But if rollers are placed under the concrete block, the force required is much less as concrete block easily roll over the surface of the ground. Reason is that because rollers turn round like a wheel, taking the heavy concrete block forward. Hence, we can also say that wheel reduces friction. Now, advantages and disadvantages of friction. Advantages. Friction enables us to walk and run. When we walk, we apply the force on the ground, and the opposing force prevents us from slipping, and we are able to walk and run. Friction helps us to write and hold things. Friction between the pencil and our hands allow us to hold pencil firmly. Also, friction between the tip of the pencil and the paper help us to write on paper. Friction produces desired amount of heat. In winter, when we rub our palm vigorously, they become warmer due to the heat produced by a friction. When we strike a matchstick against the rough surface, the heat produced friction light up the matchstick. Friction allows moving object to slow down or stop when desired. A cycle or a car can be made to stop or slow down by increasing the friction between brake pads and the wheel. Increasing friction. Friction can be increased by creating grooves or threads on the rubbing surface. Grooves are shallow depression made on the soles of the shoes to make them then uneven. This increases the friction while running. Threads are the series of patterns made on the tires. Thread increase the friction between the tire and the road, providing a better grip on the road. Then applying a coarse substance on the contact surface, like kabaddi player, gymnast. They apply coarse substance on their hands to increase the friction.